What is the laziest way to make money online for beginners? Some people may think that being lazy is bad, but if being lazy can make us money, why the heck not? I am going to share with you how anyone can make $300 per day, as long as you have a computer, Wi-Fi, and if you can follow simple instructions. Now, if you are someone that does not have a computer, or you don't have the internet, or you don't know how to read, then I am sorry to break it to you. This is not for people who live under a rock. This online business is for lazy people who do not want to work a typical 9-to-5 job. Like you, who wants to work a job nowadays? 6 years ago, I was that person who worked a 9-to-5 desk job, and I absolutely hated it. I had to sit in traffic, commute to work for over 2 hours per day. I had to report to a boss that I did not even like. I did this Monday to Friday for over 40 hours every week, and I barely had any time for myself or my loved ones. That's when I started doing some research online, and I came across this lazy online business model that was able to generate me passive income without having me work a 9-to-5. If you are someone that wants to get out of your dead-end job right now, then this is the way to go. This is also for people who do not like being in front of a camera. Now, personally, I did not enjoy being in front of a camera because I was so afraid of judgment, and I was afraid that people will laugh at me. But after having so much success in this lazy online business, I just had to share my knowledge with others because I know what it's like to work a job that you don't like, and I know what it's like being broke and making minimum wage. Therefore, I am in front of a camera. But for you, you do not need to be in front of a camera. All you need to do is sit in front of a computer for less than 1 hour per day. This lazy online business model does not require you to do any labor work. If you've had a job in the past, then you probably are aware that every job requires you to do some labor. Maybe you are lifting something heavy. Maybe you are driving a truck. Maybe you are working on clients. Whatever that happened at your last job, this is something completely different because you do not need to lift a finger to do any labor. Shipping, handling, and customer service is done for you. There is also no large upfront costs involved. Most brick and mortar businesses will require 6 figures to get everything up and running. Let's imagine you want to open up your own bakery to sell some goodies and desserts. You have to rent a physical location. You have to hire a ton of staff. There is a ton of overhead for advertising. You have to buy so many ingredients just to make those goodies. And then there are other costly office expenses included. The list goes on for how much money you have to fork out if you were to start your own brick and mortar business. But if you were to get started with this online business model, you do not have to fork out 6 figures to get started. Most people start with only a few $1,000s. And with just investing a few $1,000s, you can turn that few thousand to over $10,000 every month in profit. Just like one of my students, Marie, she makes over $22,000 by running this lazy online side hustle, and she spends less than half an hour per day in her business. She gets to keep her full-time career as a teacher and make money on the side by doing this. And I know you can do it too. Now, I know this may sound appealing to you, but you may be wondering, well, that's great, Tamara, but will I get paid long term? Can I replace my 9-to-5 job by doing this? And the answer is yes. What I appreciate most about starting this online business for myself is that I only had to get it right one time. And after I got it right just that one time, I was able to make recurring income month after month that did not require me to put in any additional legwork. You see, when you go out there to get a job, or if you were to start a different type of business, you constantly need to use your time to put in the work and the effort to make money. This is different because after you find that one winning product that can pay you recurring income month after month, you get to be financially free. You can use your time to do whatever you like. You are not trading your time for money like most people around the world. Most people trade each hour of their time to get paid a salary. That is not what this is about. When you find that winning product, customers will throw money at you to buy your product over and over again. This is how you generate passive income and build a long-term recurring income stream for yourself. If you like everything you heard so far, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Let me introduce you to selling products using Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. If you are a complete beginner, a complete newbie, then I want to invite you to my free Amazon FBA training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name and enter your email address. Watch this training to the end because you get to book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will walk you through one-on-one how to get this Amazon FBA business up and running so you can find winning products to sell that will pay you recurring income month after month. Let's break down the Amazon FBA business model so you can start making some money. First, you need to do some product research to find that winning product that customers want to buy. I have a beginner's product research tutorial in this YouTube video right here. In that video, I will show you how to find that winning product that will make you that recurring income month after month. Number 2, find a supplier that is going to manufacture your product in bulk so you do not need to make your product yourself. This is not Etsy, where you have to hand make your products. You can hire someone to make the products for you. For example, if you want to sell 500 coffee mugs, then all you need to do is go to Alibaba.com, find a supplier who sells the product for cheap, add your logo and branding to the coffee mug, and then list it to sell on Amazon. The secret to making a ton of money on Amazon FBA is by selling products that are unique and that have better quality than your competition. You cannot just choose a product and then throw it on Amazon and then expect to make money. This is when you hear that online businesses don't work for people, because they are not taking the time to differentiate their product and they are not doing the research involved to sell a winning product and a product that can beat their competition. You cannot sell the exact same product that already exists on Amazon's marketplace because those sellers already have customers that are loyal to them. What you need to do is find a supplier who can source products for you that are unique. After, when your supplier manufactures your products in bulk, you now ship your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse. This is where the magic happens. This is when your product is live on Amazon's website and millions of Prime members can see your product live on Amazon's website. That's right, there are millions of shoppers on Amazon every day, and they are on the website to spend money. This is when Amazon's warehouse workers will pick, pack, and ship your product to the customer. You do not have to do any shipping. Like I said earlier, this is all passive income. However, you do need to create a product listing. Of course, when you sell your product on Amazon, you need a listing. This is where the customer lands on your product listing and chooses to add your product to cart and then pay you for that product. Back in the day, Amazon sellers would spend endless hours and days to build their product listing. However, today, with the help of AI, you can use AI to create your entire product listing in a matter of minutes. If you want to learn how to create your Amazon product listing by using AI, then make sure you watch this tutorial right here, where I teach you how to use AI to create a product listing so you can save both time and money. Okay, I lost track of which step we are on, but the next step is to just rinse and repeat the entire process. I have lazy students who sell just one winning product on Amazon, and they make over 6 figures every year. They are not tied to a 9 to 5 job. They can travel to wherever they want because all you need is a computer and Wi-Fi to run this entire online business. They have time freedom and location freedom. So if this is not the laziest way to make money online, then I don't know what is. So if you need one-on-one help with getting this entire online business up and running, then again, make sure you check out my free Amazon FBA training in the YouTube description below. You can also watch this YouTube video that is coming up next. I will show you another product research strategy that can make over $300 per day.